2026 seasonal forecast for southern Ghana. I would say to you, preparing for the rains. GMET's 2026 seasonal forecast for southern Ghana, predicting above normal rainfall between April and June, particularly along the eastern coast and nearby inland areas. This forecast is crucial for planning and preparedness, and our guests will provide valuable insight on how to mitigate the impact of the rainy season. Now, maybe some say 2026 rainy season forecast no omon ka ho asem cheme director January 2026 seasonal forecast amod release and say ba April ni June say na that time no yen hwensu no ne to animu ye hwe weather na nkasa
me da say ka seasonal forecast na say major rainy season for the southern sector no the southern sector no obi e wo ye fa na say ye kan brofum say latitude 8 north eba down
okay
obi aka ho ye kan krokro bi e wo ho na bia ye be fa na say Kintampo nesa ne miamia no
edeba
efom aha enti sa area si na
Kintampo techiman abofo offenso kranza kumase eba mampon eba ne de ko sa hwimu nyina eba ne de wura nkoko mu nyina ye ba okay
enti juma ye di na say ye share seasonal forecast no ye hu say areas ni bi within the 3rd week of February no ensure na ebesase atoto na yefi eho no so a ebi so ebesase from March beginning no na asase atoto kakrankra na de ewom no say from March April May no ensure no ebetoto kakrankra de ba mu nye den sa yera April May June mu no eho na mu ebemi mu ankasa
April May
June eho na say we are expecting normal to above normal rainfall.
Okay.
Nti baby to say baby at see akumase no eka emia na ye hwe mu say above normal rainfall no ebi to me
is free precon ye make sure say you got am bed because in so beto gidigidi pa
prediction na ye man no
me di because na send ye question na de mo ka ba sa na eba nti chesa sa se ne wo match mini ofura kan de say what kind said also the 2nd of February na Toma Kumenu bi because na no be na ochia na ochum ne kazo say no omo de omo to so e kodua bro no for baby ko Toma Kuma ko bi even match cross ento na e be right primu said de onso wo de atoso na nti yen hwa ni mu sase nso beto southern party anomo no hefa no pa na yen who say hanamo de be experience heavy rainfall pa
okay nti ye sha se fi March ekosi May mrani mu na ye share southwestern parts the eastern coastal belt now we can have below normal in some of these areas now some of the areas are here can to have reduced rainfall ebine doma
okay
Sunyane Mem Goso Cape Coast Salt Pond Accra and Temampo de enye wansa because ye ka bibi ensuo to pan wa Ghana yenkan omo nheda nkamposa aha nanso areas foforo no yera April to June ni mu no ebe peja ne ho ye wo bebi to say Asamankese Akimoda Koforidua Kede Kumasi Hasukra eka ho enti sa areas in na no we are expecting that the rainfall will improve significantly. It's being above normal rainfall within some of these parts.
Okay. You share the frequency and so a better to talk say na to gidi na ebejatum na ocha na say udi agora de chanu was tia so de chanu ye bisa we say de ebe ya omo ye wedding no omo careful na omo so omo ye yi no ni ha frequency na for ebe say
the thing na say emre bi abetwemu ko no ye release seasonal forecast na for that period between March and July. No?
Okay.
But these days, no, you update every single month. Into say BB as a sancra, or say it to me the mouth.
Okay.
So, your wedding, your way, no, and no dear. Main Castle, we need 2 ways. So, because there was specialized forecaster, the my events.
Okay.
And to Castle, be a party, you be to me outside information. No. Ebeni nano ni update ma say BB as a
sancra. To reach out to Musa.
Yes.
Oh, okay. yɛde yɛkɔwɔ no kɔɛ mɛma mode saa link na ma yɛ na me dem de bɛma ma yɛ busa mpanyimfoɔ no ya ɛyɛ ba fi na kɔgye busa bɛyɛ yi na hu sɛ wɔda na yɛ yi pɛ ɛyɛ ne mo ayɛ den paa na
commander the interesting thing about ewiem dwumadi ne sɛ on sɛ ensuo no ɛyɛ cycle ɔhyɛ ase free baby no aduru baby no amuamu wɔ baby no a break wɔ baby no asa akɔhyɛ ase baby saa ne cycle na ya nto bɛ ha sɛ wo de akra keto akra wɔ primary crowd bisa say bosome pa ne nsuo to mu a obeka cho say June first no kwa de na ka June July yes it was until recent I say we must send bo July so as o ka se kaka
twiba ni mu ha
thank you ama say kwa no hwe data ye collect kwa na September October minor rainy season ono so ni mu amia pa out mu say data ye collect no omka mo so nya frequent rains
yeah I think last year say September October so
first
so na nke ho na ne
thank you into no say no ewiem dwumade into March bo so me no hya ase kakra na wo de awam April to bo say ahoden emumia na wo de komme emumia na wo du ni peak June no na chese ho ne de ho ne na yam fa ni agwa ne obo ne anu oto awia no pawia na jo so say me catch us commander March bo so me no wota hu pa de a enka eya na enso etato enwume ene anajo say the hottest man bo so me mu o hye pa no eye March bo so me yes na fe o hye obijagumo so ti yana pempin edin say e bi apremu ato na March bo so me obeto nsu ono ni heat no de nam dada
heat kra
heat no ntine be wi eche na bo se edura na dwuna sana ne ho ato na obekeka ese ni se saa na tie o de heat no ko wi mu anu akọ condense no adane nsuo no asaba back nsuo bi afri ba bi amabem nsuo na wasa ase so ano eno anu ko wi mu no asa keka no ho anu asaba etine saa pepepe na tie ntima agbo so me ne se onfa nsuo bebre ma enya de nwanwa tam bia so etimi vary last year me no ka say commander yenya nafua mwotwe ena nso to mu okumase the month of March this year you say ena ede to so dunson yenya nafua ba miensa ana naipe out me say the month is still young though but ut me say nso na wokeka no but so hwen so a oton so otimi todin
no
say yes dinner no say ma ho de na
sipi boss ne take aba
dinner na won me no say there be esi an de ma ho de na sipi letimi agagum to bo so ato to bo say me nya extreme event nti so betimi atomatch na nso ayiri sa pepepe but frequency no so edi nsuri ni biba because as aseno so ya saturated say ono so feed ni nsuo ebenu maybe no ono so ame water table na wa say no so rise na so opu biba ni nyina aka ho ma nsuyiri ni ade anya ni nyina na e bia de hye baller na say wa baller ne de commander da bia woni say me
ode
kumasefo bi kapa
asemo abusaba bia wo a wo tie say wo timi e follow nkomo aye di pa sabu yedwade ni anema bi ono awokoto abonso obeto ena anema bonso bonso mento na medi agro na mekoto ahwe ameboka yeno ntine tie anema bi we no wo ye driver ni na wutia na ohunu kwan so se de anema besi aye ene se de odwumade bia wudi bia no ebe emponkore ekosku a obehunu se this time akra no ekosku no se mampe pullover bia ansend bag ma like so omnu tama opo na wada na asesa yeno nti ena yede anema bi sei brewo no